not true that you can drink a whole trash soda without burping. Let's do this. Let's go. Stop. Almost done. Oh my god, I can't. Okay, I think I might burp, but let me keep on drinking.